Guys, Shovelhead 8, we're doing a little project today. I've got a few days off work for the holidays and I'm trying to catch up on stuff that never got done. So anyways, I got this this backpack. It's just like new. It's just a Portage pack. There's no frame or anything. It's just for using on a canoe, and then just to go around the portages, so you don't have to unpack stuff. It's Chinese made, I think, but I only paid a few dollars for it. But the webbing here is not sewn very good or designed very well. So we're going to put some leather pieces in on each side, inside and out on this, to strengthen it up, and hopefully it'll work. I pre-made these as pairs because I had to figure out what I was doing. So anyways, we'll thread our needles and we'll come back when we're all sewn up. That should be enough. I'm using pointy needles this time because I got to go through the cloth. We'll just, oh, I guess that knife is sharp. We'll just put a little bit of beeswax on our thread. Your eyes get old, this gets harder and harder. We're through. We'll pull it back. A little more beeswax to stick it together. A little bit going through the material, and we should be laughing. So anyways, that's enough of that. I'm going to start sewing. We'll come back when we're just about done. Anyways, we're back after a couple hours of hard work, and believe me, it was hard enough. I got leather reinforcements sewn in to secure the two straps, and they have matching leather pieces on the inside. I managed to catch that seam pretty well on both sides, so hopefully that'll hold. It's like I say, it's only a Portage pack, so anyways, it was good practice for me sewing. And anyways, this is Shovelhead 8. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever, and stay tuned for the next video coming up. Oh, and watch out for Cast Iron Wednesdays as well. Thank you for watching.